We're here at the Day in the Park car show for the Youth Hope organization here in Redlands, California. They put this on to help support and raise money for the homeless youth of the city. Here with my dad, parked next to some random people. It's a pretty good turnout. So let's, I guess, go check it out. Sorry I didn't get to film like me coming in and stuff. It was hectic and a long line, but let's go. Here, I got my dad's car. You already know, airbag setup. 350 small block, all original. Here with the vet. GT5 Hundo. Look at that bad boy. Big. Oh, that's big. Oh man. I think I know who I'm gonna vote for. This camaro right here is clean. Fooled me. It's a 350, not a 454. Look at this. All original though. Is that a Nomad? Ooh. Big body Chevelle. 454. Got the big boy engine. Let's go peep this Nomad. What's happening with this Nomad? This looks cool. What? No way. Got a Riviera. How nice this truck is. That's a real nice Nomad. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, if you've made it to this point in the video, just want to give a big thank you. Appreciate the support. Thank you. Cannot thank you guys enough for taking the time out of your day to watch my little car show videos. Appreciate you guys 100%. I'm keeping the content coming for you. Alright, back to the video. Alright guys, that's the show. We pretty much walked it. We've been here all day. Let's get out of here. Let's go home. Good to see you guys.